Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Julius and I'm the leader of this team. And now I'm gonna introduce my teammates. So, let's go.
Hello, my name is Radit. Hello, my name is Rizky.
Hello, my name is Rona.
Hello, my name is Samuel.
So, that was my member. Now, let's just move on to how to make a noodle pop, okay? Okay, the first step is to turn on the stove to heat the water and boil it. After that, open the plastic wrap from the noodle wrapper. After you open it, you can see the seasoning from the packaging. There's a fried onion and onion oil and the MSG and the other ingredients. Wow, look at this. You got a fork, plastic fork. Okay, after that, you open the MSG like this. And don't forget to open the fried onion and the onion oil too, like this. Okay, after that, pour the boiling water like this. Okay, like this. After that, wait for 3 minutes. Okay, after you wait for 3 minutes, stir it until blended. Okay, all you can eat this. Yes, like this. It's very nice. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like it and God bless you all.